Hey guys, today I'll be making a pen app in Cursor. So we call AI. So we go here and then I'll type make a pen app. Okay. Now press on apply and then press on Command S. Now you go to Finder and you find the folder. So we'll say this. Just press double tap on it, and then you don't need this anymore. And then we can draw. We can make it bigger, and we can clear. We can also change the color, and I will make something else. So I will make the buttons big. The buttons bigger. Okay. Now we press the Command S, and then go back here, and then press on Command R. This will be bigger. Okay. Clear. So I was gonna add like something, and maybe let's add like a. Okay, let's change the font. No, we're not gonna do that. Add a but that adds text. Just like this. Now we push the Command S. And go back, and let's press on. Let's type like hello. And add the text. Let's make the text bigger. Clear all. Make it big. Text. Okay. Hello. Add text. And when you add text, it puts it in a random spot. So we're gonna ask AI to, when you add text, you have to click, put the text. Okay. Now you apply. Now press Command S. Then okay. Now you type like hello again. Then you have to put this. Okay, a little bit too small. A little bit big. I forgot. Add text now. So now let's add a button change. I don't know how to write change, so I'll just go like this. Add a button that change the font. Okay, it understands. I don't know how you understand that, but I don't know. Except Command S to save. Now change font again. Okay. Now hello. Now change. We want to blah. I don't know that. I will type dad, and this is normal. Now this is another one. Let's write come. So it works. So bye bye guys. Subscribe to my channel.